Hello and welcome to the Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a few highlights of Hot Wheels 2019 N-Case. Recently arrived in Australia. So today I found these what you call short cards, international cards from local Woolworths, Woolies supermarket. So I thought to buy a few of these stuff because there are a few eye-catching castings from Hot Wheels. Alright, let's talk about these ones first. This is custom Ford Maverick, which is this is not a new casting, but this is with a new silver color. It looks pretty good. I have all the other color variations of this one. Especially I love that blue color one, which released a few months back. Yeah, it was pretty good. I like this one because both wheels are in same size, not like some Chevys, and it has grady decals, 94 badge on top. Alright, next one. This is a Honda Civic 2018 Honda Civic Type R. Well, Hot Wheels has released the red color variation earlier this year, and now they are doing the white color one. Pretty neat casting. Again, it's a good one, you know, with all these front and rear real light tempos, all the logos and things. Pretty cool. But you know, this year there are many diecast manufacturers done this casting, especially Mini GT, Tarmac Works, no sorry, not Tarmac Works, Inno 64. But with this price range, Hot Wheels they have done a pretty good job on this casting. Alright, next one is 96 Porsche Carrera. Yeah, it's a very cool casting. I like the plain cars. Like many people like the ones with racing decors and stuff, but I like plain and neat cars, and this is one of them. If you can check, it has the real light tempos, all the Porsche logo, Porsche emblem, front light decors as well. Next one, next one is 64 Chevrolet SS. There was a color variation of this one earlier this year, which is aqua color. Yep, aqua color with these similar decors. Yeah, pretty cool casting. I like this engine with cars with openings in the bonnet. Looks pretty cool. Then one of the stars in this case, McLaren Senna, second color variation from Hot Wheels. They have done the blue color variation earlier this year, and this one is from Forza Motorsport Forza Horizon 4 Xbox game. Good one. And if you check this one clearly, you can see the front rear light tempos. There's no front light tempos, but there's the McLaren logo in front. And then the other McLaren S20 720S, pretty cool. I have the orange color variation of this one as well. So this is luminous purple color spectra flame. Yep, nice. Front light tempos are there, no real light tempos. All right, next one. Highlight of the case, 2016 Bugatti Chiron. How good is this one? I want to open this one, but at the moment I'll leave it like this. Pretty neat casting. There's no real light or front light tempos, but there's the Bugatti logo. Can you believe that I have started collecting Hot Wheels now few years now, 5 years maybe, and this is my first Bugatti. I know they have done few color variations of this one early days, but this is my first ever Bugatti. I want to have another one of these, but let's see how my luck goes. All right, then the other star of this case, Audi RS5 Coupe. If you guys can remember, the Hot Wheels has released Audi RS5 hatchback wagon last year. It was one of the most popular cars in 2018, and check this out. Pretty cool casting from Hot Wheels. All the front light, logo decors, rear light decors. This is a magnificent casting. I wanted to have another one from this to do a wheel swap and place in my display, and I'll leave it in the card at the moment. Next one, 66 Chevy Nova, typical Hot Wheels car. Chevy Nova, one of the popular castings done by Hot Wheels. Black color with this reddish orange flames. It comes from the Hot Wheels Flame series 2019. Nice one. I like these ones. And Mazda RX-7. This is the other color variation. Mazda has released several color variations of this one. This one looks alright with this green color, but I'm not a big fan of this one, this color, and this, especially this casting as well. But yep, you know, alright, can't blame. And the Lamborghini Aventador J Roadster looks pretty good, but to be honest, I'm not a huge Lamborghini fan, so I don't want to make any comments on this casting. But I don't like this big rear wheel. You know, all the according to my point of view, all the wheels should be the same size. Anyways, that's Hot Wheels. They can do whatever they want. And last but not least, 2017 Audi RS6 Avant. So as I mentioned earlier, they have done the red color variation last year, 2018. It was a massive success, and now Hot Wheels has decided to release this Spectre Flame blue color variation. Well, can't blame. They can do anything they want. So there you go. I'm not a pretty big fan of these 5-spoke wheels, but it looks alright, looks good. Especially this one is very, I want to do a wheel swap out on this one. These wheels, I hate these ones. Anyways, well, that's it from the beginning, from this end, guys. Thanks for watching. I will remove these some of these cars from the cards and take some photos for you guys, and check my Instagram page, Diecast Beast, and hit a like, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and your support. And also please leave your comments. I would like to hear what's happening out there and what sort of cars you are collecting, and share your thoughts on my videos and this hobby as well. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.